So in the animal kingdom, animals are arranged into taxonomic groups based on their evolutionary relationships to each other, and the broadest group is called a phylum. So it's quite interesting, so stuff like coral and jellyfish are actually in the same phylum known as Cnidaria, and humans are in the phylum Chordata. And we're actually more closely related to animals like starfish and sea cucumber, known as echinoderms, than we are related to animals like insects, crabs and octopuses. So chordates are grouped into 3 subphylums: Urochordata or tunicata, Vertebrata and Cephalochordata. So Vertebrata includes animals with backbones, so vertebrates. Tunicata includes sea squirts, also known as tunicates, and Cephalochordata includes animals like Amphioxus, or also called lancelets. So all chordates at some point in their lives have a cartilaginous rod called the notochord that runs the length of the animal's body. In vertebrates, the notochord ossifies into the vertebral column during the animal's development, so it just turns into its backbone. In cephalochordates, the notochord is actually retained into adulthood. So in sea squirts, only the larvae have a notochord. So sea squirts larvae also have a gut tube, a tail, a brain and eye spots. So these features are absorbed by the animal as it attaches to the sea floor, where it spends its adult life as an immobile filter feeder. So adult sea squirts actually have 2 siphons, one where the water enters and one where the water exits. So vertebrates and tunicates are more related to each other than cephalochordates, which don't have blood, but sea squirt blood is vanadium based instead of iron based, so it's actually green instead of red. So sea squirt larvae actually resembles vertebrates' ancestor, and it's thought by some that vertebrates evolved from a sea squirt that just didn't become an adult, so it retained its juvenile traits, and this is known as neoteny or pedomorphism. So I want to keep a pet sea squirt. So I want to see if it's possible to keep a species of sea squirt called Stolonica socialis, and is commonly known as orange sea grapes. And I want to record the species ontogeny, so its development from its larval form to an adult. And so just a bit about the species. So it lives in the North Atlantic Ocean and is also native to parts of the UK. And they grow to 2 centimetres in height, and they live in clusters.